Today we have a Lenovo laptop. This is a Lenovo X1 Carbon. It's 5th generation. Problem with the laptop, according to the customer, display is not working. The laptop is working on an external display. Customer did try to reset BIOS, disconnect the main battery and so, but still the laptop doesn't work. So since I gotta check a few things on the board, I decided to make a quick video on how you can open this laptop eventually. So let's start. Usually we have to take out the back cover, remove it, and after that we'll have an access to the board. But since I gotta take out the board itself, I have to remove a few more things. So yeah, we're gonna use something sharp. This. Now we need to, in order to remove the board, we need to disconnect the battery first. So I'm gonna remove the screws. There are 4 screws. I'll try to just lift the battery. I'm gonna disconnect the 2 cables which are going around the battery, and we'll try to just pull it a little bit on the back. Like this. Now we have to disconnect some cables. We need to remove the cables for the Wi-Fi on this side. We're gonna remove the holder here, the plastic one. This is for the SIM card. Yeah. So let's start disconnecting the cables first. This is the CMOS battery. We have to take out the cooler because there is a connector under the cooler, so since I gotta replace the thermal paste anyway. There are 4 screws which are holding the cooler. Just disconnect them and the fan. Connectors are out. Now I'm gonna remove the Wi-Fi antennas. It will be easy because the whole thing should be lifted at the same time, I think. I haven't opened this laptop before except for thermal paste replacement, so yeah, like this. Now we have screws here around the Type-C ports, which are different. And we have few more. This one here under the battery is different. It's written next to the screw hole, so just be careful. Now let's try and lift the board gently because it's a very thin board. Pretty much That's the disassembly video, but I gotta check. Now this is the display. This is the display port. I have to check for some fuses or so on the back side of the board. So as you see, we have 4 fuses here, which are on the display connector. So let me get the multimeter. All the fuses are fine. The whole cover, so we can have better access to the board. I'm gonna cut it. I don't see any elements here, so the board is very thin, so I don't want to damage the board more. Let's check all the fuses that we see on the board. There's a current sense resistor, it's fine. Well, I guess for now it will be just a disassembly video. I have to do some digging on the board. I have to look for a schematic, and if I am able to find something, we're gonna continue the video. That's it for now. Just a quick update on the no display on the Lenovo. Since I got a lot of other work, I did check all the fuses, I did check all the voltages. I was missing the backlight enable, so I thought some of the main chips had problems, but the guys in our Discord suggest that it could be just a faulty connection on the display side. So pretty much I disassembled the display. Let me try to power it on to see. I just reconnect the display, and now when I press the power button we have a backlight. So pretty much the problem was only on the display side, which is a little bit annoying to be open, but yeah, like I said, I had a lot of other work, so I had to do this step by step. Pretty much, yeah, that's the video. I hope you like it, and if you have backlight issues, just you have a picture. Check the fuses, after that check the display side, and after that start digging on the board, which is my mistake, but yeah. So that's it. Bye bye.